During our tutorials, we will use the interactive environment called Colab Notebook from Google, which allows us to write and execute our Python code without any setup or configuration. Just use your Google account, access to the website colab.research.google.com, and you can create your first notebook. In this lesson, I will show you how to use functions and packages in Python. Function is a block of code that performs a specific task. It helps you to avoid repetitions and make the code reusable. You don't need to create function every time. Python offers many of built-in functions to make your life easier. Let's start first with the creation of some variables. In the previous lesson, we have already seen two functions, which are print and type. If you would like to have more details about these functions, type help and specify the name of function inside the parentheses. Another example, if you want to know the length of your list, you can use the function len. There are other functions that accept more than one argument, like the round function, which round a number to a given precision in a decimal digits. In this example, we round v3, which has a value of 3.14 to only one digit after the decimal point. If you want to have an integer value, you can call the function round without the second argument. Methods are also functions that belong to the object. For example, Python has a set of built-in methods that you can use on a list. In this example, you can type a dot after the name of your list, and Colab will give you all the methods related to the list. We can try index, which returns the index of the value. If you would like to have more details about this function, you can type help and specify the list.index. Python has also a set of built-in methods that you can use on string. As we did before, you can type a dot after the name of your string and Colab will give you all the methods related to the string. Let's try upper, which converts the value to uppercase. If you want to have more details about this function, you can type help and specify string.upper. If you want to create your own function, you need to begin with the keyword def, followed by the function name and parentheses. If the parameters are needed, they should be placed within the parentheses, and then you should add the colon. In this example, our function accepts two arguments, a and b. The code block must be indented. Indentation refers to the spaces at the beginning of a code line. The number of spaces has to be at least 1. In our example, the code block prints out the multiplication of a by b. To call a function, use the function name followed by the values of the argument within the parentheses. Package is a collection of modules, and a module is a file containing a set of functions. For example, if you want to access to the constant pi, you need to import the math package by using the keyword package followed by math. Then you can print out the value of pi by typing the package name .py. One of the most powerful packages for the data scientist is NumPy. NumPy has functions for working with arrays and linear algebra. NumPy is usually imported under the np alias so you can refer to the NumPy package as np instead of NumPy. In this example, we will create an array by using the alias np.array. In the next tutorial, I will show you more details about NumPy. Thanks so much for watching, and see you soon.